Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very happy occasion. The unboxing of Theraphosa sturmei, arguably one of the largest spiders in the world, with a three-way tie with Theraphosa blondie and Theraphosa apophysis. Blondie's the record holder, but you know, these guys are big. This spider was from Rick's Fish and Pet. It cost $115. I think it's a confirmed male. I don't know how it's first, having seen it for a while. The book lungs in front are very small. They're tapered, and unfortunately, the container is too opaque to get a good ventral shot. It's a shame it wasn't. Now let's look at what they're in. Okay. Now you might be wondering. What is that string doing here? That string is on pieces of tape. And what you do when you take the lid off is you detach it, but you don't remove it. That way, when you close the enclosure, you can let the spider out without any undue signs of panic. You can see here, it doesn't injure the spider in any way. So let's get it on. Here she is, Miss America, or Miss, well, I shouldn't say that. You're a dude. All right. I'll put this on top of the versicolor cage. Probably the most nightmarish thing he's seen in his entire life. And this is a Zoom Ed enclosure. It's okay. Not as much of a fan of it as the Terra Blue. It's a little little bit of a step down. But what we're going to do is let's see, the lid is off. But you put the strings like this. And you orient the thing down like so. The lids can come straight off. That lid can pull straight off, and if he panicked, he could probably kick it off, but he won't, because he doesn't know it can move yet. Okay. Now, what we'll do, we'll just move. This isn't really working very well. Yeah, we'll put this back here. I'm going to finish undoing it a little bit stickier than I thought. No. Alright, now take two. See, the best laid plans with mice and men go awry. Now, take two. Oh, for Christ's sakes. Oh, for Christ's sakes. Oh, for Christ's freaking sakes. How the hell did this happen? Oh, that's right, because it's not. That's right, you have to tie these damn things in loops. Oh, shoot, I skipped a step. So you have to loop the damn things first, and then you can just take the damn tarantula out of the enclosure. How about doing this the simple way? There we go. Just put him here. He can come out whenever he wants. and stay in there for, you know, the next 10 years if he wants to. And we'll just call it that. We'll just call it this way in there. What you have to do when you do a string like that is it has to loop back on itself. You have to tie it so it's a circle. Otherwise it just pulls through. That's not because the idea doesn't work, it's because I skipped a step. So we will see what he does. And there he is. Tiny. See what happens. I guess it's always interesting to shoot, you know, when stuff goes, you know, well. I mean, if I was dishonest, I would just put the thing back on there and run it again, you know. But, you know, this is live television. That's how it is. And so that's how we'll do it. So what we're going to do, I guess I'll take the phone out of the holder. And we'll get a look, and this is a good looking guy. He's definitely a very, very nice looking tee. I could really see why Arachnoclown likes these. And it's the damnedest thing. The phone looks kind of washed out brown, but when you actually look at them, it's, you know, it has a, you know, it's just a wonderful, like a suede, rich leather chair sort of kind of a brown color. So, you know, a really interesting spider. The enclosure, basically it's a Zoom Ed. Nice, not quite as nice as Terra Blue, but, you know, it is what it is. You know, it's the same basic thing that I always do. The thing has turned out to be more of a, you know, utilitarian looking kind of thing. It hasn't really, you know, it didn't turn out as pretty as I thought it would be or as I wanted it to be. So, you know. Okay, now this is where things go wrong. Do we take the thing out? Sure. Why not? The show must go on. And there we go. Theraphosa sturmei.